Start by installing the Draly theme. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, Themes, and click Add New. Upload the Draly theme file, activate it, and the theme will be ready. Next, install the required plugins for Draly to work properly. Go to Appearance, Install Plugins, select All, and install them using the bulk action. After plugins are installed, you can import demo content. Head to VillaTheme Core, Import Demo, choose the demo you like, and click Import. In just a few moments, your site will look like the live demo. To create a new page, go to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title and publish it. To set your home page, go to Settings, Reading, select a static page, and choose your desired home page from the drop-down. To install WooCommerce, go to your dashboard and navigate to VillaTheme Core, Install Plugins. Once WooCommerce is installed and activated, you can configure its settings under WooCommerce Settings. Here, you'll set up your store location, currency, payment gateways, and shipping methods. WooCommerce will also generate the essential pages for you, including Shop, Cart, Checkout, and My Account. If you want to make changes, you can edit these pages from Pages, All Pages. To create your product, go to Products, Add New. Enter the product name, description, pricing, categories, and upload product images. When you're ready, click Publish and your product will appear in your store. You can edit any page using Elementor. Open the page and click Edit with Elementor. Simply drag and drop elements to build your layout. Draly also provides custom Elementor widgets, making it easy to design product pages, home pages, and more. To create a menu, go to Appearance Menus. Add your pages or categories. Then assign the menu to a location. Draly also supports mega menus, which allow you to display more than just simple links. You can include columns, images, or widgets inside the menu for a richer navigation experience. For widgets, go to Appearance, Widgets. Drag and drop available widgets into sidebars, such as Shop Sidebar, Blog Sidebar, or Product Sidebar, to add extra content and functionality. All theme settings in Draly can be customized under VillaTheme Core Theme Options. Here, you'll find different sections to manage the general appearance, header, footer, blog, WooCommerce layouts, and more. You can also access these settings under Appearance, Customize, which gives you a live preview mode so you can see your changes before saving. Navigating to VillaTheme Core Theme Options, General Settings, you can customize the global look of your site. Here you'll find typography settings for the body text and all heading levels, from H1 to H6. Adjust the font family, weight, size, line height, and color to match your brand. You can also set your site's main color and block quote color. When you're done, click Save Changes. You'll also see reset options to reset a section or reset all settings if needed. Under Theme Options Header Settings, you can configure the header layout for your store. Depending on the demo you imported, different header styles may be available. Here you can upload your site logo, adjust the mobile header, enable the vertical menu, and manage the breadcrumb navigation. There is also a section to add contact information. In Theme Options Footer Settings, you can select your site's footer among existing footer templates. First, create a footer layout and edit it using Elementor. Then return here to select it as your active footer. Go to Theme Options, Blog Settings to control the display of your blog and posts. For the blog archive, you can enable or disable the author name, post date, and comment count. You can also set the sidebar layout and choose a blog style. For single posts, you'll find options to show or hide the author, comment count, categories, tags, social shares, and related posts. A sidebar position can also be configured here. To configure your WooCommerce store, navigate to VillaTheme Core, Theme Options, WooCommerce Settings. Here you'll find two main tabs, Shop and Single Product. For the Shop page, you can adjust the layout style, sidebar position, pagination, and how many products appear per row on different devices. You can also enable interactive features like the mini cart and product hover effects to improve the shopping experience. On single product pages, you can select the layout style, decide whether to display a sidebar, and choose how product images are shown. You can also enable sticky Add to Cart buttons and display payment method icons to help build customer trust. For translation, Draly works with tools like Loco Translate to translate theme text strings, or Polylang to create a multilingual store. For Loco Translate, you can translate theme text strings directly from your WordPress dashboard. Use the Add New Language button to start a new translation or upload an existing .pop file if you already have one. For Polylang, install and configure Polylang to set up multiple languages for your site. Once your site languages are defined, you can translate theme strings and content into each language as needed.